plastic Focus RS Mark II, and what we'll be doing with this is doing a paint correction detail on it. I haven't had the car long, and also we'll be changing the wheels as well, and most probably putting the Cosworth cones on. So we'll be having a look at that a bit later, but as I say, with this car it does need a paint correction detail. So what we'll do now, we'll pan around the car, have a look at the paintwork on it, and then later on in the video, once we've got all that sorted and that type of thing, then we'll be having a look at some of the modifications that has been done on this vehicle. Just taking a look at the paintwork on the Focus RS Mark II at the moment. As you can see, we'll move the camera across. We've got lots of swirl marks and holograms there going on in the paintwork. You can see the shimmers around this area too, and even in the vents here. So quite a bit of correction work needed on this particular car. Take a look at the mirror here. Lots of nasty swirl marks and holograms going on there. Just looking at the rubbers along here too. We'll be treating all these as well a bit later on. The spoiler on the roof section here, as you can see, lots of swirl marks and holograms going on there. On this section here, lots of bad shimmers too in the paintwork. We've got to be very careful too when we're doing the creases along here. These are different offset than the other original wheels, and we've got the spacers on here, so what we'll do, we're just going to try this. Now these stick out quite a bit here, so what we'll do, we'll remove the spacers now, and then we're going to try the wheel back on. Everything fits well, that type of thing. Then we'll be taking these down to the tyre shop and getting the wheels changed over on this car. So it's been a busy day in the studio today. We've got no paint correction done as yet, so we've been doing the wheels. We've decided to take the original spec wheels off the car altogether with the hub-centric spacers here, and we've got these were ET60, the other wheels. These are ET45, so it brings it out just about right there, sitting in the wheel arch. Now I've got the cam wheels on the car, they're boxed off all the way with, all that's sorted now, and I'm on the first stage of machine polishing at the moment, so I've been doing quite a bit. Lots of issues in the paints on this vehicle. As I said, I'm doing the roof section now, get this sorted out the way with, then we'll be lifting the car up on the ramp, and then we'll be having a look at these panels here, and I'll show you how bad the paint has been with all those swirls and scratches in it. So making steady progress now on the Focus RS, but as I say, we do some machine polishing here around the sill area, this quarter section here around the arc. Still a bit of polish here, but as I say, when we put the light on, you can see all the nasty swirl marks and that in the paint. Also here too, there's been some high spots. We've had to do a bit of wet sanding to get rid of them as well, but we're making steady progress now. So what I'm going to do now is polish this section, and then the first stage of machine polishing is finished on this side of the car. Looking at the diffuser on the Focus RS here, as you can see in the plastic, lots of swirl marks and holograms there. So we're just going to polish all this up now, and then later I'm going to put a ceramic coating on this. Right, I've got the air diffuser now looking like a complete mirror here. What we've done a two-stage machine polish on the back end of the car. All the bumpers sorted now and the valance. So what we're going to be doing next is moving on to the passenger side, and then we'll go and take a look at some of the issues in the paintwork. So we'll drop the car down a bit more now and have a look at that. Look at the paintwork on the passenger door here. You can see when we move the light along, lots of shimmers and swirl marks in the paintwork. Focus RS is now finishing complete here, top car detailing. So we'll just take a look round now, see a few things what we've done with this fantastic car. Don't clean all the engine bay up as well. Still lots to do on this car yet. As they say, this is going to be an ongoing project. So what we may do eventually is put the standard air box back in as well, sort that out, but I don't know yet. Also treated all the plastic trim as well on the car, that's hydrophobic too, and also all the rubber seals as well, dyed them jet black. Right, so what we'll do now, we'll pull the car outside, and we're having the car in the studio here. We've got the headphones, so I'm going to need these on once I start this beast up. So let's see what the sounds is like on this car. On a Focus RS Mark II or a supercar or any nice car, for instance. If you like it looking like this, don't hesitate, give us a call here at Top Car Detailing, as we turn cars round sometimes from a swirl mess back to a mirror finish. And this car now is fully protected as well for the future with a ceramic coating on it. Remember, this car is 10 years old now. Anyhow, I'm going to be back soon with more videos on our Focus RS Mark II. In the meantime, if you like any further information, check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk,
or give me a ring personally where I can give you the right advice moving forward for your car. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Until next time, catch you later.